Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2025 Adam 2-horse slant load bumper pull. This trailer is used. It is lightly used. It definitely has absolutely nothing wrong with it. Charcoal in color. It is aluminum, all aluminum with a pressure treated wood floor. No graphics. Does have the gravel guard on the front. It is the aerodynamic nose. It is a 2-inch ball. It is 7 tall, 6'6" wide. It's very roomy. It has no rear tack. It just has a dressing room. So it's got two 50-50 back doors with windows. Got them folded back, so you'll see those in the pictures with the 2 doors shut. 2 rubber bumpers on the back, rubber mats. Again, it's big and open. Rear LED light, load light. It has 1 divider. That divider is telescopic and also has a way to hook it back. So one divider. 2 tie rings per horse, and the last stall is big. I'll shut that divider here in a second when I turn back around. It does have roof vents. Drop down windows with bars on both slants. It's got the rubber all the way up the wall. It has 2 slider windows on the rear as well. I'll shut this divider so you can see. Let the divider shut. You can see how big this back stall is. Huge. So 2-horse straight load. There's absolutely no dings, no scratches, nothing to basically note on this trailer. Does have a dressing room. It does have running boards. So step up in. Let me see if it's got running boards on this side. Yes. So it does have running boards, so you have a way to step up to get to your drop windows and a way to step up into your dressing room. The dressing room has a it's not a wood floor, it's just a laminate floor put in. Spare tire, 2 saddle racks. It's got bridle hooks, and then they've added extra bridle hooks. So extra bridle hooks are in this particular dressing room already. The door does have a window. So to recap, 2025, like new, 2-horse slant load bumper pull, Adam bumper pull. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. The pictures and video and price will be on carolinatrailersales.com. We appreciate you subscribing to our YouTube. We appreciate you watching our videos. Have a great day.